Hey guys, welcome back to Receptive Immigration, your one-stop to travel, work, study, and settle abroad. So let's talk something important about the Tier 5 UK visa, Schengen type visa D, and the age limit, and so on. So the question is, what is a Tier 5 UK visa? Well, a Tier 5 UK temporary work visa allows people who meet the eligibility criteria to come to the UK for work. This visa provides working rights to researchers, creatives, sport persons, and it also provides an opportunity for charity and religious workers to live in the UK for a temporary period. The next question is, how can I stay in the UK after Tier 5 visa? Well, if you want to stay in Britain, you must switch visas. The most common way of doing this is by convincing your employer to sponsor you. They will need to apply for a Tier 2 sponsor license and meet strict compliance obligations. So let's talk about the age limit. Now, what is the age limit to work in UK? Well, if you are 18 and above, you need a valid certificate of sponsorship COS for the job you are going to do. Well, your job must have a genuine vacancy and your sponsor should have paid all the immigration skill charges. Well, the next question is how to get UK PR. Well, if you have lived in the UK for 5 years or more, you may be able to apply for a PR. However, with a valid UK visa, there are some requirements that you must fulfill. You must not have spent more than 180 days outside the UK in any 12-month period during the qualifying period. So the next question is, what is the Schengen Type D? The national long-term visa D is always tied to a specific Schengen state. Permission to stay is applied for a maximum of 12 months, and for all the Schengen countries, the usual 90-day rule applies, provided that no territorial restriction is specified in the visa. And who will issue the TRC certificate? Well, a tax residency certificate is a document provided by the income tax department of the taxpayer's resident country. This is in order to prove an individual's residence in the nation for a particular financial year. Well, so this was some important news, and we will keep filling in with more news in the future. So stay tuned to our channel and don't forget to subscribe.